In this video, I want to show you how you can use the slow recording of the MC911 to acquire data for a long time in a slow speed and save the data while you're acquiring this data and recording data from MC950. What I have here is a single channel torque transducer. Let's start with this. Let's go into analog out input, and then we calibrate this to make it ready for data collection. It's calibrated. Okay, now we go into the recording. In this recording, it looks a little different. What we have added here is the slow recording enabled here. This with everything is as it used to be, but with addition of this, once we click it, we enable it for slow recording. What it means now, the trigger area is gone. It doesn't need to be triggered, it's automatically triggered, and also sample time per second. In here, that we can increase the sample time anything we like in seconds, minutes, hours, and dates. Let's say for 100 seconds. And the sample per second is how fast is recording it, not saving it. Here, let's say for 500, we're going to make it slower a little bit. So sample time is 100 seconds. Let's say we want to sample every 1 second. So it has to be 1 second or higher on saving. So this can be any number here, and this can be number 1 through higher numbers. So minimum, we need to have 5 samples. So 5 seconds is the minimum value you can have here. So let's try this. Once we say OK, and arm, let's overwrite what we had in there. So what is happening here is this number is counting down. What it means, it is recording continuously and once every second. And as this area fills up, it stops recording. As it's recording, it's also saving into disk 2, and it's under the same file name that we started with. So, and here, for instance, test 01 is continuously doing that. If I stop this, it will be test 01 and then done. If I cancel it, it will cancel it up, but let's stop this. So we're done. It's saved under test 01 and .mci. Now next one is test 02. So if I go back there, for instance, if I go to double and start test 01 MCI, and let's say we didn't have any angle. Let's set the axis as time, and y1 is our torque. So that's what we have. You only have few numbers here. That's very coarse, but this is how slow it is. And each number is, as you see, is 1 second. As I go along here, it shows you 1 second of advancement. So you see that you can do this for all the signals, all the ultrasonic signals, and for days you can record it. And if something happens in between, power goes off or anything, you still have the data on disk. You can come back and retrieve it, and it's under the same file name that starts with. So this concludes the slow recording option that's been added in version 10.25. Thank you for watching.